To create a shared report, you first need to define the report with the data you want to share. In this tutorial, we'll use a particular campaign report as an example, but you can create any report that's normally available in Volume. Go to the Campaigns tab. Highlight the chosen row and click Report, or double-click to display the report on the selected campaign. Whenever you create a shared report, you can select an appropriate grouping from the drop-down menu if it's available, or you can proceed with the drill down. Once you define how granular you want your report to be, click the Export button. Select the Shared Report option from the drop-down menu. In the Shared Report form, you can define the name of the report in the Name field, or you can leave the proposed name. Choose the time zone for the report. Your account will have entered a default time zone in this field. Next, if you want to narrow down the dataset, you can define your date range. Click the Time Range drop-down menu and select either the Fixed Date Range option or Static Data, or a predefined period of time, such as yesterday or last month. The second option means that everyone who has access to the shared reports will also have access to the dynamic data, and your report will update automatically over time. Select the columns that you want to include in the shared report and unselect those that you want to exclude. Once ready, click the Create Link button. You can manage all shared reports in Settings, in the Collaboration Tools tab. In the Shared Reports section, you can view and delete reports. To delete any of the links, click the bin icon. Keep in mind that deleting the shared report deactivates the shared link permanently. Anyone who clicks the link after the report is deleted will get an error message. Thank you for watching.